In the last video, I talked about picking a niche for your YouTube channel or for your Facebook page. I want to ask you this question. What is a niche? When you hear people talk about niche, what do you think? What normally comes to your mind? I want to see the response to this question in the comment section. So, picking your niche is very important because it can help people know you and your channel. That is the importance of the niche. I've explained a bit about the niche, but let me go into the importance. Picking your niche is very important because it will help people know you and your channel. There are names that if I mention them here, you quickly know what their niche is all about. Okay? So when you think about a certain thing, you quickly think about that person. When you pick a niche and you continue updating and be consistent in it, in your channel or in your Facebook page, when people think about that particular thing that you always talk about, they remember you. That is the importance of having a niche. You can't talk about everything. You can't talk everything. You can't turn your page to everything goes. No. So if you don't have a particular thing you are known for, then you are as good as nobody. It's as good as that. If you don't have a particular thing that people can remember you for when they will click on Facebook searching for you, then you are as good as nobody. So examples of niches that one can pick today and start working on. It could be sex. Yes. And that one also sells like hot cake. The discussion on sex is very, very important. Maybe one don't have to go about it because there's no school for sex. So you can be a sex educator, you can be a sex therapist. Can be teaching people. The way some people go about sex at times, it baffles me. They are trying to learn something that will benefit them. At the same time, they are criticizing the teacher. So if you can build a very strong page or channel on that and know what you are teaching the people, a lot of people will follow you. A lot. Money can also be a very nice niche. Yes. Money discussion could be your niche. People want to know how to make money. If you know how to make money and you are teaching people, in fact, so many rich men today don't teach about how to make money. So if you can make money and show some people practical examples, that is a good niche. And many people will follow you, both on Facebook and on YouTube. Issues related to marriage. Marriage is a very complicated and a very complex topic. If you can be teaching people about marriage, about singles, about relationship, about widowhood, parenting, that's what we handle in family life with Mentor Chris on WhatsApp. Many people joined us and they brought in their husband. Many people joined us, they brought in their wife. Many brought their friends. If you want to remove them, they will cry. They don't want to be removed. If somebody has issues with his phone and he maybe like those that do hack someone, they beg to be, to be restored in the group. So this can also be a good niche. Is it talking about teenage life? What about those who talk about football? It can be something that will pay you. Don't just be discussing and analyzing footballers for nothing. Yes, you can make money from that. You gossip, you rumor, and you don't convert those things to money. Create a page today. Start gossiping there. Start parading rumors, but make sure it's a healthy one. So they won't chain your hands and legs. That could also be a good niche. People want to know what's up. People want to know what is going on. People want to be current. You can tell stories either for your stories of what happened to you or stories of notable people. Stories of what happened to others. How they managed through the stories, what happened and how they came about from, how they came successful from it. What about documentaries? These days we don't really teach history. You create create a page or a group on Facebook or a channel on YouTube and begin to talk about documentaries. People don't really have time to read history. Even they have the time. So many times when reading history, you get lost. But when you are talking about it, people do listen. And as they're listening to you, they make more sense than when they read it. They say, oh, I didn't understand this thing this way. What about mocking people? Pick those who didn't do well and mock them, make fun of them, and people laugh at them. People now laugh at their errors and learn at the same time. Somebody is cashing out from that. It's a good niche. What about news? Comedies. In fact, the highest paid, 13 highest paid Facebook pages in Nigeria today, they are all from the comedy niche. And you are there just to make people laugh or nothing. What about traveling? Do you know that you can be documenting the travel? You focus a particular state in your country and talk about it. People that want to travel would love to listen to you before they go to that place. They want to know about what is happening in that country, in that state. They have not been there. They want to stay here and know, because we're already in a global, what they call global village. Travel and tours. You can pick Mentor Grace, traveling to Lagos. Begin to show it, maybe vlog it from here. You're showing them the road so that there will be, any of them that is about to travel. This is why I watch from Mentor Chris channel. What about cooking? You know that you can use your kitchen and make money. You show people how to prepare certain dishes. You show people how to arrange food, and people will watch you, follow how you prepare those things, and now cook them. Some may not really copy to cook those things, but they love to see how those things are being prepared. So many niches. I've talked about the importance of niche, and I'm giving you lists, a lot. So you don't just be posting for anything on your page just for posting sake. You don't just be posting because you see people are posting videos. No, don't turn your page what I call anything goes. Make sure that people understand what your page is all about, and feed those people who are following you with information they came for. Not that you are gossip, your page is for gossip today, the following day you're using it for maybe, what do they call it? Is it for politics? You turn it from, they want to listen to politics, and you change, maybe you are not showing them cooking channel. No, be specific and be consistent. All right. So it happens both on Facebook and on YouTube. People want to know what you are for. So they will be expecting that specific thing from you always. Be very careful about your niche. If you are talking about a particular thing for a very long time, it will draw people's attention. But if you are the type that is not focused, and you open a YouTube channel, you post one video after 1 week, after 2 weeks, or 1 month before you now post another, they won't know you again. They will even unsubscribe you. They will even remember that you exist. That's another thing you need to know about your channel and your page or your group. So you need to be lively. There are people that will unsubscribe you because they have been following you for politics and you are not talking about religion. These are not the same. There are people that will be following you because of your mock news. All of a sudden you turn it to a different thing. They will begin to, your page or your channel will begin to go down. You post videos, you will receive lesser views. So if you are known for singles and married people, maintain that. If you don't turn around and begin to say what your page was not known for. So, just as I've said before, I don't like to make long videos. I want to make it brief and straight to the point. If you have been following me on Facebook, I promise to be updating you on what you need to do or what you need to know while creating Facebook page and YouTube channels so that you make money from them. Then if you're not be following us on Facebook, search for Mentor Chris Academy and like the page. Also go to YouTube channel, search for Mentor Chris Academy TV. In fact, I will also drop the links at the comment section of this video so that you follow us. We have a lot of groups on WhatsApp, Family Life with Mentor Chris, online business mentorship, a lot. So the links are there. Join us if you want, and they are all free. Thank you.